We are preparing for winter here. We got such amazing volunteers. Rob and Buzz put up this great barrier to keep the rain out of this hay. This hay is worth a lot of money. It's second cut. Then over here, George and Gary have been working on flood control. If you saw some of my videos last year, you saw that so many areas of this farm were flooded. So they dug this out. This is going to be a sump pump. Hi, Clove. This is going to make your area so much nicer. And then over here, they're digging a trench. With a pipe. To carry the water. Over here. And then to another pump. And then it gets pumped way into the back of the field where there's another trench that's been dug. There's George. There's Gary.
Do you recall how deep this was buried?